are too heads down in tile, in weave, in stain guard. I don't care about any of that stuff. You're not in that business anymore. You're not in the flooring business. You are in the business of helping construction projects go off ahead of schedule and under budget. That's the business that you're in. So 80% of your conversations need to be around, what is this project? What is the top line revenue for this project if it goes off on schedule? What happens if it goes off? And this is, and I talked to you about this on the private. This is what you need to be talking about. And you keep coming back to me and saying, Matt, I don't know what ideas to bring up with them. I'm going to give you it again, Harold. A big one, and I've
got the ideas figured out.
Well, let me give you another one. Let me give you another one, right?
Okay.
Bridge loans.
Okay.
It's terrible. I'm trying to buy a single family property, and financing is killing me. And I'm buying, I don't know what we're going to end up getting because the financing is killing me. I wanted an $8 million property. I might have to go down to 6. If it's killing me on a single stupid $8 million house, imagine what the suffering and pain is going through with multifamily operators. It's a nightmare. You need to be like, hey, listen, I understand that you guys a lot of times have this particular financing locked in, and if the project does not go off at this date, you move into a bridge loan setting. With your regular financing right now in a multifamily asset, you're at 8%. With a bridge loan, you're at 13%. The last thing you want, and I get it, I totally understand, I agree with you, okay? You have whatever designer picked out, whatever color of peach apple wood that you guys think you need for this floor. I want to give you a heads up right now. Do I cover peach applewood HC73 in color? Nope, don't have it. I got something that visually between me and you, and I'm 63 years old, I can't tell the difference. Maybe my eyes are bad. I don't think you can tell the difference either, but it's in stock. Okay? Is it a little bit more? And by the way, your stuff's actually going to be less, but let me just go worst case scenario. Is it a little bit more than the peach applewood bungalow that she wanted to get from Pottery Barn Commercial, the new developer, who all their stuff, they're piecemealing it from Panama? Yeah, it's a little bit more money, but I can make sure that it's at the property. I can make sure that the installers have it and are ready to go. And if you need help with that install team, I will be happy to run quarterback on this. Because the last thing that you want, the two last things that go into this project are flooring and paint. And those are the two things you are, I'm just going to let you know, I'm not telling you anything you haven't already heard because you've been in the business for 10 years. I'm just going to let you know your project's going to be probably most likely behind schedule at that point. The last thing you want is...
I can't get to that conversation, Matt. That's what I'm saying. I've been really researching and
I know.
Talking about slowing down. But when I call them, they're not returning my call, so I can't get into that conversation. So you have a system.
Okay, call me. Leave me a voicemail.
Hey, Joe, this is Harold, Senior Account Manager for Dixie Carpet. I have an idea that I'm curious to get your opinion on. You can call me on my cell at 832-620-9114.
Okay. And then I'm gonna move on to somebody else, Harold, but here's what I want you to do, okay?
Okay.
That was good, but it wasn't great. I want you to think about what you just said. Now I want you to hear mine. Hey, Harold, Matt Easton, I'm in charge of all of Texas for Dixie Carpet. Was looking at a couple of your projects that you guys have going off right now, and was thinking about you in terms of a discussion we had with some of our other multifamily developers. And man, I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. Could you call me on my mobile, 720-660-3202? Your message sounded like a bit salesy and like you were reading from a script. My message was like, I'm looking at something that's a problem. And by the way, my message is not manipulative. My message is not sleazy, because when you call me back, I'm gonna go, thank you so, and listen to my tonality. Thank you so much for calling me back. So what was that idea that you wanted to get my opinion on? Bridge loans, right? Here's what we're seeing. Financing is a complete disaster. I don't know if you guys are self-funding these projects in Houston, but if you're anything like most of my clients, the financing has become a complete nightmare. We're at a throttle point where rents can no longer go up in the Texas market. We've hit a ceiling there. The appetite for those rents are what they are, and construction now is putting assets back 2, 3, 4, sometimes even 5 years back before they actually break even and start to cash flow. And I have a couple ideas for you on flooring. A lot of times that people aren't seeing, they'll have, you know, architects, love them, right? Designers, sure, they're great, but these people don't understand when the rubber meets the road. The bank wants their money, and if that project is delayed even 72 hours, a lot of developers like you kick into a 13% interest rate. How are you guys dealing with that? Now when you say that, Harold, I guarantee you, they are gonna go off on you like nobody's gone off on you. Holy, where the hell have you been? I'm getting killed. I got PMs sitting in Ford F-150s, twiddling their thumbs because we don't have supplies. Do you guys do roofing? No, I can't. We don't do roofing, right? I can help you with the flooring. Now, I have some contacts I can reach out to on the roofing side. Let me give you a few ideas on the flooring, because a lot of times it's a product that visually you can't even tell the difference, and the life cycle of it's a lot better. That's where you have to slow down. We can play with this later. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.